In this video, we will be learning what is STIX and TAXII. We always wonder, there are many open source threat intel feed providers share the intel detail. So is there any standard for that sharing the intel? Yes. Threat intel share the standard in STIX and TAXII format. It's an open source project created by OSIS and MITRE, both jointly share the standard, where STIX stands for Structured Shared Information Expression is a language and serialized format used to exchange cyber threat intelligence, whereas TAXII stands for Trusted Automated Exchange of Indicator Information, standard the trusted automated exchange by cyber threat information. TAXII defined a set of services and message exchange that, when it's implemented, enable to share the actionable cyber threat information across the organization and products, service, and boundaries for the detection and prevention and mitigate the cyber threat. For example, if two people are talking to each other, let's consider Bob and Alice want to talk to each other, but both should understand a common language. Let's consider they will talk in English or Hindi or Gujarati or Marathi based on the common understanding of the language, and they'll start a communication. So we can understand STIX is a common language where the both entities will be understanding, whereas other hand it's a TAXII is a medium through which the intelligence will be shared. Let's see a STIX website. So we are on oasis-open.github.io/cti-documentation. So here they have shared a detailed information about what is STIX and TAXII and also show the relationship model of each. So latest STIX standard is 2.1, which has indicator, malware, sightings and relationship in the common indicator sharing scenario, where all the data has been shared in a JSON format, where they show the indicator object, malware object, relationship object. The TAXII have a client and server architecture, where a producer can also be a client. In another scenario, where client publish data to TAXII and TAXII shares the information to its subscribers. In the resource section, you will find a complete detail of STIX and TAXII with its documentation. Latest TAXII is 2.1 standard. Which has 18 different domain objects. It can be attack pattern, campaign, course of action, grouping, identity, indicator, infrastructure, intuition set, location, malware, malware analysis, note, observable data, opinion, report, threat actor, tool, and vulnerability. And in relationship object, which have relationship and sightings.